it all: money, success, family. In an instant, it vanished. Most would break, but not him. Instead of falling apart, he rose, one silent step at a time. This isn't just a story about loss. It's about legacy, about grit, vision, and relentless hope. This man didn't just recover. He rewrote what it means to rise again, and in doing so, changed the world forever. David Carter was a name known in business circles. A tech entrepreneur who built $1 million startup from a cramped garage. Married with 2 children, he was the picture of the American dream. But dreams are fragile. The market crash wiped out his company. Investors backed out. Debt climbed. His marriage fell apart under the pressure. Then, his mother, his anchor, passed away unexpectedly. In under a year, David went from luxury condos to a one-room rental with barely enough to eat. His friends disappeared, opportunities dried up, and depression hit like a storm. He was no longer the man in the spotlight. He was invisible. He contemplated giving up, convinced the world had closed its doors. There was a moment, cold, rainy, broke, where he stood in front of a store window, watching people pass by in warm coats. He felt like a ghost in the world he once owned. One night, walking past a shelter, David saw a child sketching blueprints on scrap paper. The boy had dreams of building clean water systems for his village in Kenya. In that instant, something clicked. David realized he didn't need money to make impact. He needed purpose. He began volunteering at shelters, mentoring homeless youth, sharing what he knew. The boy reminded him, brilliance isn't reserved for the privileged. David started teaching free weekend classes on coding and entrepreneurship. Word spread. Former colleagues joined in. Then, he founded Rebuild, a nonprofit that taught digital skills to underprivileged communities. The same industry that broke him became the tool he used to uplift others. Within 5 years, Rebuild launched programs across 5 countries. Thousands learned to code, start businesses, and build self-worth. David testified before governments, collaborated with global leaders, and inspired a new wave of change makers. But he never forgot that it started with loss, with failure. David didn't rebuild a company. He rebuilt people. Sometimes, life shatters us so we can piece ourselves back together in a way that serves more than just us. David lost everything he valued, only to discover what truly matters. When the world turns its back, don't fold. Look inward. Rise with purpose. Serve others. That's how real transformation begins. You don't need a perfect past to build a powerful future. You just need the courage to keep walking.